Hey YouTube, welcome back to Luke's Amateur Hour. I don't know if this video is ever going to see the light of day because this isn't tools. You guys watch me for tools and professional amateurism, but this is not that. This is FlipFlops. So I got combat FlipFlops. A couple bucks of every sale goes to supporting some women's education in Afghanistan or something like that. I got some other stuff that they sell. Boy, am I hoping they fit because they took like 3 weeks to show up. They look huge. Am I crazy or do these really look huge? Let's see. I got my old reefs. No. Right size. They're a little on the thick side, but they feel actually relatively light. It looks like the bottom is poppies. Poppy tread. I got the AK-47s. They got the AK brass base there. Feels like they're in pretty good shape. Let's see here. These were made in Colombia, so not Afghanistan, but it supports Afghanistan women's education. Puts a girl in school for a day in Afghanistan, which business not bombs is their deal, and hey, I can support that. I'm on board. And for an extra couple bucks, I mean, I paid a decent amount for the reefs. They're old. Hoping for some better ones. Let's see. These combat flip-flops were hand-built by people adversely affected by conflict. Sua sponte, of their own accord. CombatFlipFlops.com. They fit. They're a little big on the just on the frame side of things. These are my old reefs, but they're nice. Actually, kind of nice. I like them. I'm not going to show you my feet because who wants to see my feet? This is a different kind of unboxing. Thanks for tuning in. My name's Luke. I'm an amateur. Support something that's near and dear to your heart. If it's an extra $3 and it goes to a good cause, pay the extra $3, man. That's why I always put Smile, Amazon links in my descriptions, right? Send somebody who really needs it or deserves it your money if you can. Thanks for tuning in. I don't know if this will ever see YouTube. If it does, if you like this, hit like, send me a comment, subscribe if you want. Peace.